Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, adaptive headlights, xenon headlights, stability control, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, leather seats, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.